Hi, welcome back. I'm Yines, Lactation Consultant with Prenatal Yini, and in this video I am going to show you how to make your own SNS, your own supplemental nursing system. So let's begin. So we like the SNS because baby gets supplement at the breast, either your pump milk, donor's milk, or formula, or at the breast. And we use the SNS either because mom is relactating, for adoptive parents that want to induce lactation, or baby is gaining weight slowly, mom has low milk supply, so baby will get everything at the breast while at the same time stimulating mom's milk production. Okay, so the supplies that you're going to need are a feeding tube. Okay, this feeding tube is a 5 French, 36 inches long. This you could find online. You could find it at your pediatrician's office, from your lactation consultant, maybe a local medical supply store, okay, or from the hospital too. All right, then you're gonna need a pair of scissors and your milk container. Here you want something that is BPA free, something that has a tit. Okay, you could use a bottle, a sippy cup, a syringe. This one is a 30 ml syringe, a sippy cup, and a bottle. Something that you don't mind ruining, because we're gonna make a hole on the tit and you won't be able to feed baby directly after we kind of like damage it. Okay, so next we're going to take, and then I'll show you later in the video how to clean the tubing as well. We're going to take your scissors and the tit, and I like to cut in a X shape, or you could just make a hole on the tip. Okay, and then we're going to take our feeding tube and we're going to insert it through the opening that we just made. All right. Some people, they cut this piece off, this cap, they cut it off. I leave it because it adds weight. So it could stay down. So you put your supplement and then you cap it, right? And then remember that we're going to position the tubing a 1/4 inch past the nipple. All right, you could use tape on your breast to secure the tubing, and then baby will latch and take both. All right, some moms, they prefer to latch the baby first and then insert the tubing. If you're doing that, make sure that the tubing is between the philtrum and here, either side. You don't want it in the corner of the mouth. All right, and then you'll know that it's positioned well when you see milk. When baby starts suckling, you see the milk flowing through the tubing. Okay, let's say that you want more length. Something that you could do is the following. Let me show you. You could invert the tit. So I'll show you with this sippy cup. You could invert the tit like this, like that. Okay, and then insert the tubing. And you get a little bit more length. All right, like this. Okay, or you could use it with a syringe. If you're using the syringe, we're gonna get our supplement, right? And then we're gonna get any air out, and then we're going to connect the tubing. Make sure it's tightly connected. You could put this in your cleavage to hold it, and repeat the process that I cover when for latching baby and positioning the tubing. Okay, Even if you don't use the syringe for feeding, you still need a syringe to clean the tubing, because we're gonna flush it with warm soapy water and then repeat the process with clean water. Give it a shake and to get any water droplets, and then let it air dry so it's ready for the next feeding. Okay, for the maintenance of the tubing, we want to make sure that you inspect it, make sure that it's not damaged or ripped, and then you could change it accordingly, or every few weeks if you see that something is wrong with it. Okay, let me see. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, and I'll try to link a few of these items in the description. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like and let me know what you think. Will you try it? Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.